Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check your LinkedIn profile strength and improve it for better visibility. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the LinkedIn application on your mobile device or go to linkedin.com on your computer. So let's go ahead and open any browser, then search for linkedin.com in the search bar and then log in to your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll then be able to find your profile icon right over here. Go ahead and tap onto it, then tap on View Profile. Once you're inside your profile, slightly scroll down and then you'll see a Profile Strength indicator on the right side of your profile. If you don't see it, LinkedIn will provide some suggestion on how to improve or strengthen your profile. As you can see, I don't have that option because I just created this account yesterday. Also, if your profile is all stars, that means you have filled out all essential section of your profile including headline, summary, skills, work experience, and education. LinkedIn will give you a score based on how complete your profile is. To improve it further, make sure you add a profile picture or cover photo and customize your headline to be unique and informative. Also include your skills, recommendation, and endorsement from others. Update your contact info and location to make it more accessible. Once your profile is completed and optimized, you'll see your profile strength increase to all stars, which is the highest ranking. And that's it, guys. You have successfully checked your LinkedIn profile strength and learned how to improve it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.